Hi, welcome to the Cleaning Habit. I'm Michelle and today we're going to talk about how to clean your microwave the natural way. Food, dirt, and grease can accumulate in your microwave if you don't clean it consistently. We'll show you the simplest way to clean it with just vinegar, water, and a damp microfiber cleaning cloth. What you'll need are 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vinegar, a microwave-safe bowl, a damp microfiber cloth. Make a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar. Pour the cleaning solution into the microwavable bowl. Put inside the microwave and heat it for 5 minutes. Take the bowl out and let the microwave cool for a few minutes. Wipe with a damp microfiber cleaning cloth. And that's it. I hope we were able to help you clean your microwave today. For more cleaning solutions, you can subscribe to our channel or follow us on our Facebook page. You can also visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!